Hey guys, it's Vince. Today in this video I am excited to release my Rev2 version of my 22 gauge 2-lead double shielded cable. Now this cable is the go-to bulletproof cable to assure that your signals for your switches and any type of accessory touch plates once again are never going to be corrupted by EMI. You can see here got the 22.2 revision 2 cable, and again you're looking at this. This cable does have the MBR rating like my DS Flexion printed on it, and again my standard 16.4 double shielded cables. You can see it right here, MBR rating. Temperature rating 105 degrees Celsius. The casing is 300 volt rated, and what I really wanted to point out here is the main revision changes. Again, we of course have our Mylar foil first layer shielding. Second layer of shielding is tin braided copper. That's of course there. We went with a shield drain integration because many guys were having trouble with my first revision of the cable. While it being excellent quality, we had problems with guys that would always be asking, how do I work with tin braided copper and formulate a shield drain? This takes away all the guesswork as there's an integrated shield drain. You've got your typical red and black leads, and of course we have our tin copper leads as well, which makes soldering these a joke. Overall, one other thing I did that was just a tiny variance in lieu of the first revision is I went with a slightly thicker PVC, and the reason I did that is it really doesn't affect the flexibility of the cable at all, but what it does is it makes the cable even more durable in points of friction, and let me explain what I'm talking about. We know 22 gauge cable in itself is very thin, but typically guys that are routing for switch applications or accessory applications, the cable rubs a lot. It'll rub in different areas. It may rub inside a cable chain where we have active motion. So again, I wanted something a little bit more durable, and if you look here, you can see just how thick we went in comparison. You can see the size difference from this to this. And again, much different in terms of wear. And that was something I wanted. I wanted you guys to have the most durable cable you could have. And again, while protecting your signals. Best part of all is I believe this cable is actually going to be listed at relatively the same price. It may go up a few dollars. So again, still amazing quality. Very little increase in price. I wanted to keep everything very close, and you guys have got the best quality out there. Again, I will get lots of questions, as I always do, on can we offer this cable in custom lengths? Yes, I offer it in all custom lengths. Whatever your application is, we can do it. Again, just message me. I'll give you the best price I can. If my system builders out there, guys doing OEMs, just message me, tell me exactly what you need, and we can go from there as well. But from now on, this will be the go-to standard as far as for accessories. And again, you guys can see, very durable, flexible, excellent at providing EMI shielding. And that's exactly what we wanted. So again, guys, I hope that this video has been helpful. I don't sleep until I can get it right, and some things you just never get right. You're always trying to pursue, perfection, so to speak. And cable is one of those things that you think you got it right one time and you just keep working on it, and that's exactly what I keep on doing. I want us to all have the best products you can have actually with the best price. So again, guys, if you have any questions, I look forward to answering them. Thank you all for your support. Take care.